Hello, welcome to stage 3 of your Times Table Mastery Challenge. I've been getting your quizzes and I must say you've been doing very well. Thumbs up to you. So let's see, what does multiplying a number by 10, what does it do to that number? Times 10 puts 0 at my back, right? You can see this mother carrying a baby at her back. That's what happens when you multiply a number by 10. So anytime you're multiplying a number by 10, just put 0 at the back of the number when you multiply by 10. So let's see some examples. 10 times 3. Put 0 at the back of 3 because you're now multiplying 3 by 10. So we have 3 and 0, that's what? 30. Don't forget multiplication goes both ways. So 10 in 3 places is the same as 3 in 10 places, right? So we're multiplying 3 by 10. We have 3 with a 0 at its back. We have 30. 10 times 8, we have 8 with a 0 at the back. That's 80. 8 times 10, we have 8 with 0 at the back. That's what? 80. So now let's see, it's your turn. Try these examples. Let's see. Should you put a baby 0 at the back of all those numbers? That's very good. That's the way to multiply a number by 10. Hooray! You have gotten rid of your 10 times table. All these numbers multiplied by 10. Now you know how to do it. As well as all of these 10 times 1. You can see all numbers multiplied by 10. You now know the logic to multiply them. So you have been able to get rid of another 23. Wow! We are getting there. Tomorrow is going to be amazing. Make sure you do your quiz and then we'll move to the next stage. Step by step, you're becoming a master. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow.